And hello there everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we will be talking about viewing resources. Now this is a fairly basic and short tutorial that will happen, so you don't have to worry about being another freaking 20-minute tutorial. This will be nice and short. So let's say we go df. This basically displays the amount of disk space that's being used by everything here. Now, you might notice that, wow, these things are extremely difficult to read. I don't understand what's going on. So another way we can do this is we can go -h and it makes it human readable. So we can say /dev/hday2, which has a max size of 772 megs, and that is basically this one. Yeah, almost. And here's my Windows partition. So anyways, it basically shows you the size they are, how much size has been used, how much size is available, and how much percentage of the size has been used, and where it is being mounted on. So my Windows partition is being mounted here. So if I want to go there, I can literally just go to that location. And my Linux partition is mounted at root. Yeah, for the most part. And yeah, as you can see here, I have 778 available. Not so sure. I think it's because Linux is mostly everything here actually, except for Windows. In a way, it's very confusing. But yeah, so yeah, this basically just displays your disk space. You can also maybe go something like what is in df if you want, and you can like, or man even. And then we have du, and this tries to calculate the amount of disk space that's being used, but I would recommend not doing that because that's going to take a long time. So what I would rather use, I would go du and I would search for a specific folder such as downloads, and it's going to search specifically inside of downloads and not just from where I think it's from root actually, I don't know, or maybe it's from where you are, but it will display the amount of downloads specifically as being used there. Of course, if you want to make it human readable, you can go -h, and there you can see, okay, so downloads in total uses about 329 megabytes. The folder called Yandere Simulator, that uses about 40 megabytes, and in the Telegram desktop folder, that uses about 3 megabytes. We go into downloads, or we add alice downloads, then we can see there's everything. If you go alice dash, can I go -h? Would that do anything? No. alice-la downloads, and then you can see here's the amount of space often used. I don't know if you can use -h with this. Yes, you can, and that will make it human readable as well. So you can see the 02 dance that uses almost 300 megabytes. Gee whiz. And let's say you don't want it to, let's go here and let's go du again. You don't want it to do that because that's annoying to watch or something like that, I don't know. Then you can go du-s, and this will basically do all of the calculating and stuff like that in the background, so you don't have to see this. Of course, I don't like doing that, so I'm just going to go -s downloads because that's going to take a long time. As you can see, it just shows downloads, it doesn't show anything else. The sh, that makes it more readable. So if you want to see how much a specific folder takes, then this is good to do that. So if we go du-sh documents/anime, let's see how much my anime folder takes. And it takes 32 gigs. Anyways, so that's one way you can do that. Then you also have free, and this basically shows you the resources or things that's being used. So this displays the memory and swap usage. So yeah, you can also make it human readable by going -h, and then you can see a bit more what's going on here. So you can see I have basically 8 gigs of RAM, 1.4 gigs is being used at the moment. There is 2.9 gigs free. No. And yeah, anyways. Oh no, wait, that's free. This is available. There's 5 gigs available. Anyways, yeah, it's all of that. You can look at it yourself. And then if you want to see it in megabytes, you can go -M, and it will put it in sort of megabytes. If you want to see it in gigabytes, go -G, and it will show you in gigabytes. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you'll enjoy it. And as I said, this was a nice short video. See you all in the next video.